Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this brand new Volkswagen vehicle.
Taigo R-Line 1.0 TSI 115PS DSG comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a smoky grey metallic and black finish. The car looks absolutely remarkable and is filled with some upgraded features which look fantastic. The black design pack offers the 18-inch Misano black alloy wheels, which is an upgraded option to the vehicle, a fairly spacious boot capacity big enough to fit a weekly shop inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. ISO fixed points in the back for a child seat, USB-C inputs in the back there for fast charging. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the dashboard display, we'll touch on this soon. In pan around you can see a stylish interior consisting of the grey and titanium black interior upholstery with the R-Line embroidery on the seats. An upgraded panoramic sunroof which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view. The multifunction steering wheel is very easy to use and the dashboard display shows key information like your driving data and navigation whilst on the move. And over on the left hand side we also have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe, consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort. The infotainment screen offers a wide array of different options to choose from, and going into App Connect we get access to the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to safely display your phone directly through the car to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and even Google Maps or Waze navigation. The car features drive mode selection, which is your 4 different drive modes, offering a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a more performance-based drive, and Individual allows you to tweak a wide array of different settings, enabling you to get to that perfect driving position. Lastly, touching on our parking distance control is our parking sensors, ensuring confidence and safety in every manoeuvre, ensuring they minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. We can access this by pressing the button or simply popping the car into reverse, where the sensors will automatically display for you.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 3 years warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. So to learn more about the vehicle or to get yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information, or you can inquire online today.